Google plans to spend 175 to 185 billion on capital expenditures in 2026, roughly doubling its 2025 outlay of 91 to 93 billion. This signals the escalating cost of staying competitive in AI infrastructure, where compute capacity has become the critical constraint. In this video, we're going to focus on Google's $175 billion bet, and we're going to do a deep dive inside the AI infrastructure arms race. To put this into perspective, that single year's capital expenditure exceeds the entire market capitalization of companies like Nike or Starbucks. The central challenge is ramping up compute capacity to meet the extraordinary demand while positioning for long-term efficiency gains. The constraint here is not money. Alphabet generated 132 billion profit last year. The constraint is physical, finding locations with sufficient electricity to power data centers, securing chips from suppliers like Nvidia, and building facilities fast enough to match AI model development timelines. This spending trajectory reflects a broader pattern across the big tech. Microsoft, Meta, and Amazon are all making similar infrastructure commitments. The AI arms race has become fundamentally a real estate and power generation competition. Companies that cannot secure sufficient compute capacity will find themselves unable to train competitive models or serve the growing user demand. Let's next focus on cloud. Now, cloud has been the beneficiary, and a 48% growth tells the story. Google Cloud delivered nearly 18 billion in Q4 of 2025 revenue, representing 48% year-over-year growth. The acceleration reflects the dual demand dynamic playing out across enterprise computing. Companies are both consuming more cloud services for traditional workloads and paying premium prices for AI-enabled infrastructure. The cloud business has transformed from a loss-making strategic investment to a profitable growth engine. While Google Cloud still trails AWS and Azure in market share, its growth rate exceeds both the competitors. The AI movement has provided a reset opportunity. Enterprises making new infrastructure decisions for AI workloads are evaluating providers with fresh eyes rather than defaulting to the incumbent relationships. Now, the CapEx surge is partially a bet on continued cloud momentum also. Much of the data center investment will support both Google's internal AI development and its cloud customers. The economic model works when AI-driven demand grows fast enough to utilize new capacity at attractive margins.